QuickBooks Payments lets you accept online, in-person, and keyed-in payments inside QuickBooks Online, so you get paid faster and your books stay up to date. In this video, we'll walk through how to activate payments, verify your business info, and manage your payment settings. To get started, select the gear icon, then Account and Settings. Open the Payments tab. If you already use Merchant Services or the GoPayment app, select Connect your payments account to link it. To activate a new account, select Activate Payments. First, verify your information. Enter your legal business name, the last 4 digits of the business owner's Social Security number, and the owner's phone number. Select Continue with Autofill to let QuickBooks pull in your business details or enter info manually. Next, review your information. Confirm your business details. Use the toggle to add a DBA if your business goes by a different name. Then enter the owner's information. When everything looks right, select Save and Continue. Last, choose where to deposit your funds. If a bank account is already linked, select it to use the same account. To use a different bank, select Add a bank account. Review the terms, then complete setup. QuickBooks reviews your information to get everything ready. Once approved, you'll see a confirmation that Payments is ready to go, along with quick links to send an invoice or create a payment link. You'll also get an approval email summarizing what you can do with QuickBooks Payments and any additional tools you're approved to use, like QuickBooks Bill Pay and QuickBooks Business Network. After activation, manage your account anytime from the Payments tab in Account and Settings. Here you can view your merchant details, deposit speeds, deposit account, monthly statements, and dispute protection coverage. To pass payment processing fees to your customers, from Account and Settings, select Sales, then Invoice Payments. Turn off your business payment methods to give customers the option to cover the fee when they pay by bank transfer. Now you're ready to accept payments and get paid faster in QuickBooks Online.